Well, hello everybody. So today I want to teach new drivers trying to learn how to double clutch. I'm going to teach you how to double clutch properly. Now in everything that you do, there's a right way and there's a wrong way to do everything. Right? I'm going to teach you the right way how to double clutch. So the whole concept of double clutching is that when you're switching gears, it involves pressing the clutch 2 times, right? That's why it's called double clutching. The first time you press the clutch, that is to take it out of gear, the gear that it was in, and then the second time you press the clutch, that is to put it in the next gear that you put it in, right? And this is primarily when you're shifting up, right? When you're shifting down or downshifting, that's a different process, but when you're shifting up, right, so the first time you press the clutch is to take it out of the gear it was in. Then the second time that you press the clutch, that is to put it in the gear that you want to put it in. So that's why it's called double clutching. So if you're double clutching properly, right, if the RPM and the road speed is at the correct level where it should be, you should be able to use your one finger, right, and take it out of gear and use your one finger again and put it in the next gear. There should be no fighting, no dragging, nothing like that, right? It should be a smooth, easy process, right? As I said, what you want to do though, right? Whatever gear that you're in, let's say you're in 4th gear and you want to take it to 5th gear, what you do, as I said, you could use your one finger. So you could just rest, you could rest your entire hand, or as I said, one finger is enough, right? Rest it on it like this, apply, slight amount of pressure, right? And then you're just gonna press that clutch just enough to when you're applying pressure to the gear shift, it just slip right out and go in the next gear. Right? It is that easy. There's no fighting, no dragging, nothing like that. Right? So that's what you do to get it out of gear. The first, as I said, it's double clutching. So is rest your finger on it like this, or your hand on it like this. Press the clutch just enough, bam, and then ease up off the clutch, and then press the clutch again, and then put it back in the gear that you're putting it in. It is that simple. Right? There's no fighting, as I said. There's no dragging, anything like that. Once the engine is at the right RPM and the correct road speed, and it should be that simple. And the key thing to remember is that if you have to be fighting or anything like that to get it out of gear, it simply means that the engine is not at the correct RPM. So either you speed up a little bit more or you slow it down, but it should generally be just a slight tap. Once you press the clutch just enough, a slight tap to get out of gear, and then press the clutch just enough again to pop it back in the next gear. Whatever direction you're going to push the shifter to, right, put your finger or your hand behind it. I'm using my finger for demonstration purpose. Alright, then apply a little pressure to it. Then press the clutch just enough to tap it out of gear, right? Then ease up off the clutch, press the clutch again, and tap it back in the next gear you put it in. Alright, do it again. That's it. Shouldn't be a fight, right? You don't need to be dragging it out of gear, right? Do like this, apply a little pressure, press the clutch just enough, put it in the next gear. You don't need to be pushing that clutch all the way down. That's it. take it out second time, put it back in. Pressure to it. First time take it out, second time put it back. That's it. Okay, put a little pressure, press the clutch, that's enough. Take it out of gear, press the clutch again, put it back in gear. When you're shifting down, a little bit different. You gotta need to slow the truck first, press the clutch, take it out of gear, rev it out, and shove it in gear like that. One more. Slow it down, press the clutch, take it out of gear, rev it out, press the clutch,